Spelling and pronunciation, letters and sounds. The point which I want to make in this video today is that letters are not sounds and sounds are not letters. Spelling is not pronunciation. There is a huge difference between spelling and pronunciation. We will talk in the today's lecture on with particular reference to vowels. As we know that there are five vowel letters: A, E, I, O, U, but 20 vowels in English language. So the point is that one letter gives us different vowels in pronunciation, and one vowel is realized by different letters or combination of different letters in their spelling. So this point I want to explain today with the help of examples that these phonemes or these vowels are realized by different letters or the combination of letters. So we will look at this point from two different angles. One angle is that we describe letters and we'll see that how these letters produce different vowels. The second angle is, the second viewpoint is that we will describe vowels and we will see that what are the letters or the combination of letters which produce these vowels. So first of all, there is one letter A in English. This one letter gives us four different vowels in English pronunciation. One letter A, four different vowels. A gives us vowel A, O, and A. So let us see the example words where these vowels are produced. In the spelling there is letter A. So these letters are highlighted, these vowels are highlighted in the slides. Letter A, vowel A, as in maid, hat, cat, man. Letter A, vowel A, as in lost, dance, chance, fast. You see, in the spelling there is letter A, but in the pronunciation different vowels are realized by this letter. The third vowel is O, letter A, walk, water, talk. Another vowel A, mate, came, fate, snake, April. Letter O gives us different vowels in pronunciation. When letter A is used in spelling, there are different vowels in the pronunciation. So these vowels are O, as in clock, olive, orange, opposite. Vowel O, as in phone, open, over, old, ocean. Vowel O, for, order, organ. Vowel A, letter O, vowel A, as in sun, love, none, come, onion. Vowel A, schwa vowel, letter is used O, obtain, obey, occur. So these were the different letters which give us different vowels in pronunciation. Now let us see and address one vowel sound which is realized by different letters or the combination of different letters. For example, vowel is E, long vowel E. It is realized by different letters or the combination of letters. For example, double E, vowel is E in these words: tree, cheese, canteen. Single E, complete these B, E, A. Letters E, A give us a E sound, as in leaf, reason. C. Letters I, E, peace, field, siege. Letter EI or EY, combination of these letters give us E vowel. Seize, key, receive. Another vowel is A. It is realized by different letters or the combination of letters. Let us see the examples. Letter A, as in pass, bath, father. Letter AR, porch, car, march. Combination of three letters E, A, R. The vowel is A, as in heart, hearth. ER, clock, sergeant. Letters A, U, aunt, laugh. Another vowel is O, long vowel O. There is a list of different letters or the combination of letters which give us this vowel O in pronunciation. First letter is U, as in road, June, crucial. Double O, food, soon, moon, spoon. Single O, do, who, move, lose. OU, as in the words group, soup, wound. Letters EU, chew, flu. Letter UE, blue. Letters OE, as in shoe. These letters and combination of letters give us a U sound. And the last example is O. Vowel O is realized by these letters as U, full. FULL, pronunciation is full. PUT, pronunciation is put, sugar. This O sound is realized by U letter. O sound is realized by double O in these words. Book, good, wood. O sound is realized by O letter. Bosom, wolf, woman. So these were the point which I wanted to explain in this video, is that letters are different thing. Phonemes, whether consonants and vowels, are different thing. Spelling is different and pronunciation is different. One phoneme can be realized with different letters. One vowel is realized by different letter or the combination of letters. So today we talked about the letters. In the next video, I will explain the relationship of these letters with the different consonant sounds in English. Thank you very much for watching this video.